It's like a chicken hawk.
He's getting so wet he won't fluff up anymore. Come on, dip your head. Show Daddy how you dip your head. There we go. We try him over here. Oh, God.
That is so
I
good.
want to send this to Katie. Whoa, get it all over. Go in your corner over there where you usually go. There you go. Get over there.
That little tail, huh? He wants more, Mommy.
I know, but you know, Mommy has to keep cleaning it up. Come on, come on.
It's so cute.
He just quivers. I just can't carry the water over that well enough.
You gotta get me in the shower.
Well, you ever showered out with one hand?
You can still dry down and stuff.
I know that.
Hey, chicken hawk.
Chicken bird. Come on. Come here. He gets real subdued after a while. Put him under there. He gets so subdued, you can just almost get him wet. I'm done. I'm all done. I think you're done. I think I'm done.
Just broke it in. Just ready to go. And hi, Barb.
Oh, this is Waterways Marina. The sun is setting on the skyscrapers. This is our sunset after about 2 or 3 days of rain. Nordhaven, for sale. Holly and Elijah's boat. Sorry about that, Kathy and Bob's boat.
they did the 3 feet to be able to put the old OLD 83. And we'll look at this. Johnny Woods. Hello, this is Bob calling from Rec Shot. Is Johnny Woods available? Sitting. Ah, okay. So, what, you know when their schedule is for departure? If anything over 7, we could probably get it done. The Capricorn sitting over here. I just don't see it. The owner's aboard. He's on the boat right now. They're leaving in the morning. I don't know where. I don't know. I just don't do not see it.
The extra firm support he or she has always wanted. Available features like a luxurious cashmere blend pillow top and our unique comfort layer make Nautilus the choice for a great night's sleep. It's time you feel the instant comfort of Nautilus with no money down and payments as low as $25 per month. Try Nautilus in your...
Oh.
Train any good at that kind of stuff?
Maybe that the Gulf is warmer water.
Captain, can we go to channel 7-1? That's 7-1, Captain. Captain, go to channel 7-1.
It's on the New River. Monday, April 24th, about 2 in the afternoon. Near downtown. Little Fort Lauderdale water taxis. Just run all over up through here. This is what's called Riverwalk. Back up on the New River. The water taxi's just nose in. Guy going up from behind us. Leaving.
Come on. Right. Say, come on, guys. Right there. Oh, God. Hi, guys.
Look at that train. Can't believe they keep that speed up. Oh, they wanted it.
Oh, he turned. Yeah. Look at him on his side.
Looking at us.
There's two of them. You see two? You see them, Dan?
Yeah.
Oh, he jumped and they missed him.
Look up again.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Is that cool?
The water comes off this end. Oh, I'm glad we caught some.
He is looking at us. That is so cool. That is so neat, them belaying on their side.
Saturday, May 13th, about 10:30 in the morning. This guy's standing in the water, got out of his boat, standing in the water, fishing. Fishing pole. Don't understand all that. We're training Cocoa Beach and New Smyrna Beach, northbound on the Intercoastal Waterway. What kind of markers you have?
This is the Hall Over Canal by Merritt Island. It leads from one large bay of water to the next. It's really pretty. Replete with a lot of fishermen. This is the other side of the canal we just came out, which is very pretty.
Powerful.
That's cute.
Good.
It is May the 17th. It is Tuesday morning, about 7:30, and I am saying goodbye, St. Augustine. And obviously it's a little rocky. Let's see if I can swing around here past the dinghy. The inlet to the Atlantic Ocean. Right out there. How do they make it in
York.
How's that well?
protect the inlet.
Fort that protected the inlet during a war. How's that?
Lionsgate Bridges and Escapade, over.
By St. Augustine. I think I took the wrong picture.
Escapade, over.
There's the fort. I tell you, I can't count on the crew. The camera crew, that is.
Do you hear it?
Yeah. Salt marshes.
South of Jacksonville.
Pretty tugboat as we near the Georgia border. Come on, guys, jump.
It's about 2 o'clock Sunday. We're just coming into St. Augustine from the south. It's what they call the Bridge of Lions. It's supposed to be a beautiful bridge. And the Peninsula Marinas over in that area. And a shot of the St. Augustine Lighthouse out at the inlet. It's kind of a pretty lighthouse. The ocean. St. Augustine Lighthouse. Noisy little big mooring field out in front of the St. Augustine Peninsula Marina.
It's commonly referred to as a clusterfuck.
Oh, what is that red thing? Yeah. No, you can see these little microscopic ones? The real small ones, can you see them? Those see-through ones?
Well, the other thing he does, there's a fish under there.
First rain I think we've seen in months.
Now let me see your teeth.
1, 2,
No,
3,
you can
4.
see it.
I got it. We got his teeth.
cavities when she does the.
Did
Okay.
you get the photo button?
Here we go.
No, you
All right.
know what? I didn't tell her.
Now, Dan, come on, tell me a poem.
Wait, there's a photo button?
Yeah.
Where you can stop it for
You
10
can
seconds.
stop it and
it'll
it makes
freeze
an
the picture.
extremely high. I want to say, I want this one to be perfect so I can make a real nice photograph out of it.
Right.
Hit a button, it'll progressively scan it, put a whole bunch of more lines in. It looks like a picture when it comes out of the printer. Yeah.
Honey.
So it's a combination still camera dash movie camera.
I saw that.
I didn't do that.
You did that.
What?
It takes time to get used
Tell me a poem.
Do what?
Tell me a poem.
I would tell me
Roses
my-
are red.
my teeth or something like that.
Let me see those teeth.
No. How close you are still.
Wait, okay, now I've got Dan's tushy. Okay, here we go, close up. Whoa, I'm real close. Okay, let's go
And you just
by.
have to move that. It's hard to move that slowly. Because Dan would zoom up and.
Oh, St. Augustine, and this is the tide coming in. And doesn't look like much, but we're rocking and rolling here.
This is Wednesday, May 17th, 2000. We're at Bill and Alice Craig's. Barb and Alice on the porch and Bill there. Tide is going out. The current may be moving a mile an hour. Got about an 8-foot tide, and we're high tide right now. Bill's got a float here that we're tied up to. boat. Looking over the salt marsh. And up is that creek that goes on out there to the St. Mary's River. This is their home. Hard to get a whole picture of it. It's beautiful. Trees. Magnolia trees. Other side of it. Back first. Boats are in the front of the property. Well, putting a concrete fence all the way around the property. You can see where it's done on the back of the lot already. Sure, yeah, listen, Barbara. This is back to Bill's again. This is his front yard.
Special
We're in Broad Creek, maybe quarter of a mile, just starting upstream, idle speed. What would you think, Dirk?
Sunday, May 21st, 2000, about noon. Around some curves, and we're going to be coming into the little town of Beaufort, South Carolina. So downtown Marina. On the boat. Markers look like. Little boat checking in. And up the river. There's the town docks at Beaufort Bridge on the right. Back to the Beaufort dock.
Stand by on 6 8, and we'll come on and give you road. Stopping instructions for fueling and the